All the birds are there. Well, all everywhere.
Everywhere.
I'm filming birds.
Oh.
Oh, it's about to fly over you for a second. Oh, there it is. It's a seagull. What's he doing? Birdie alert. Seagull alert. Oh, that's epic. That was an epic catch. 100. One just flew from there all the way across that roof. But look what's out there for them. Nom nom and nom. Now they're attracted. Oh yes, 100%. Oh, birds are definitely going insane. Oh, that's a crow. Oh, what? They don't stop. Literally don't stop. What is this? Is that all of them? No, they're about to turn off the street lights. As you can tell, some of them have already turned off. Oh, these birds are literally non-stop. I just had a crow fly right down and went. What's that crow doing? Eating worms? I can't believe it. Look, they're not scared. I literally thought that was a seagull, but there is crow and a couple other birds. That crow seems to be in standby mode. I'm about to see a couple of buses. 15665. She's early! That's wrong. This is going to have to do.
Process. Stop, press on the left. It's coming out to pull your butt ass out of there.
And now we're following it all the way to Exeter, apparently.
Hopefully. Well, actually, no, because she's going to have to stop on the way, isn't she? No, Daddy Pig! That was a Daddy Pig bus.
Yeah, it was, but it's been changed. 10680.
Do you know what happened?
Oh! That's 1066.
This one used to have Peppa Pig on the back.
Yes, Jake. I'm filming that all the way. Oh, it's not flickering. Look.
It's just raining, isn't it? So it won't.
Well, we didn't actually play Minecraft last night. 57 to Exeter. That'll do. I'll upload this.
I think I know why, because they were running around a lot yesterday. Yeah, and that tires them out. Yeah.
Look, I'm literally filming her all the way.
If she turns in a corner, a really good corner, you can get a really good photo. But at the moment, I've just gone back.
There aren't many photos of that, is there, of buses? Wait, we've got her sister in Exmouth bus yard.
689.
We have actually.
We have actually. Oh yes, that's the corner.
Are all buses down there? Are they all seats?
Yeah, for us they are, yeah. I've actually got her sister in Exmouth bus yard at the minute. 10689, and that's 10688 in front. I've got 10689 in Exmouth bus yard. So if we won't see 15603, 15605, we've seen both of her sisters. If we see 10687, then we've definitely seen all the sisters.
I've seen 10687.
So we've seen all the sisters basically in Exmouth.
No, you haven't, because you were grounded.
Yes, I have. I had a enabling, didn't I?
Give it to mommy now, it's my trolley.
That wasn't 687, was it?
My trolley when I go shopping. 1.
Oh yes,
That's enough.
let's go around the corner.
Oh. We all are.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Get a good
A real corner.
Oh, fuck off.
Yep, unfortunately.
Follow.
Yep, we've got a 57 to chase.
Well, not the chase, but...
But this will be our 50 subscriber special, I think.
Hey,
I think
you're at 60.
when did I? Well,
You've already
60.
uploaded your 50 subscribers special.
This might be our 60 subscriber special then. 10, 6, 8, 8 chase for maximum all the way to Exeter.
No, let's get that right. We didn't chase it from maximum. We chased.
Oh no, you made a mistake.
No, we can't stay behind the bus. Okay? Let's go for it.
Oh look, we missed her. Goodbye 10, 6, 8, 8. From about Limpstone all the way to Topsham.
Basically just stalled.
Oh, we're about to see her again. I just saw some crows. This is an epic place for seagulls, by the way. All birds, we can see lots of birds here.
You're at Topsham. This is what I mean.
Yep.
Just down there is Bowling Green Marsh.
Oh, there she is.
Oh my. It's now 10:06. It's going to get her revenge on us.
Literally, the driver's probably realised what are they doing, and he's probably thinking, revenge time!
No.
The driver's revenging us! The driver's coming! Yep! Taking revenge! Revenge time, 688! The bus is back!
Oh my. God. Turn. Gonna fit.
Let's see. Oh, it's judging.
Oh my god.
YouTube famous.
Oh,
Which
fish
way?
goes.
What class is that now?
150.
150. Yeah, look different from the side view.
Oh yeah, obviously.
We missed it. We missed the other one then. 10, 6, 8, 8.
The other one's at
Yes, it is.
Oh, you just missed the train.
Now she's talking us. Like literally. Now the bus is following us. 10, 6, 8, 8. SN66 GUF. So now she's taking her revenge on us. We're set for. If you slow down ever so slightly, we might be able to get the bus behind us.
It's a hole in the wall, isn't it?
Camera's dead. Or is it malfunctioning again?
Malfunction.
Oh, she's coming.
Oh,
Slow down,
yeah.
stop.
No, we can't. We can't just keep stopping.
No, the bus is.
We can't just keep
I know,
stopping
I'm not
random.
talking to you. Come on. Oh,
Oh,
that would have
yes.
been a close call.
That's a good photo.
Good bus. Good bus driver.
Oh yes.
With birds flying
All
over
these
her.
epic photos that I'm gonna have to do some epic editing when I get home. Jesus.
So am I. I'm going to have to edit some videos and put music on them. And of course the bus.
Nah, don't put music on.
Hurry up, bus. Come on. Hurry up. 10688. Hurry up.
No.
We want you to stalk us all the way to Exeter.
Why the hell do you want a bus to stalk us?
So then we get a full video of her. Full route video basically of her.
Probably had enough.
YN14 OWR. What's her number?
15963.
15963. Haven't seen 15963 yet, have we? So, welcome to Exeter, I suppose.
Sorry, been at stuff.
Yep, and that. Oh, yes.
I literally told you we were gonna pass in a minute.
Yep, and
And
this
I was
is.
right, and you said I was wrong.
No, I thought you meant in a second.
Remember, I don't know what a face being recorded.
I know. It was only your eye.
Right.
Is that WA61KZO?
Oh, what about the Jurassic coaster?
That is her. We've got 15252 on rail replacement service. Oh, yes.
Yeah. He's putting his arms up at us on the top.
Rail replacement. We've got rail replacement stagecoach behind us.
Very rare.
Very rare to see indeed. I'm literally spamming it. Oh yeah, she's following us, she's following us.
Yeah, she's going to pass him right up here. And she wants to cross over the Gemini today.
Oh no, she hasn't got the name.
She not?
Nope.
Wait, buses go, type Q.
Yep.
Yeah, she
And
does have
we're heading up to this. So here, and then we'll walk down to the
That's
bus
the old
station.
bus station there.
No, it's not. It's not even here. Where is it?
No.
I always miss the tones. So we're at Exeter bus station today. Oh, I thought it was her sister. I thought it said 688 sister. Hold your horn, please. Beep, beep. Yeah. All I had to do was beep and then say 696. Oh, all we need is 697. And never got 10. Never need 10, 698. Let me have all the sisters. Oh yes. Beep, 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 beep. I've got an idea. Hold your horn, please. Hold your horn, please. Oh, he pointed at me, but he made this one. Hold your horn. 10, 6, 8, 8. I missed you so much. No, Daddy think or anything. With my picture's going insane. Oh, my bag. Hello, 37033. Still has that same old issue, actually.
Thought that driver, if you watch that video again, dirty looks on that driver. That's not a very nice driver at all. Beat you.
No wonder he's on the R route.
She was going
Because R is for rude. And that's what he is, rude.
Oh, yeah.
R is for rude. And that's the driver. And let's go find pigeons and seagulls, apparently.
Oh my God, seagull on top of that bus thing.
Beep you.
Pigeon. Yeah, beep you.
Beep. Beep. He said be in here. No, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Well, I see R in here. It shouldn't be in here. Unless that's turned into a 2. Hello. Yeah. What are you here for? Oh, okay. I was thinking, it shouldn't be in here. I said I need the toilet. I thought that was. Well, that bus shouldn't be in here, but the driver needed the toilet. I'll film it and then I'll show you.
No.
What is he doing?
I don't care about the fall. The fall's the same old thing.
Beep you. Beep you.
Right, now the driver's about to pull away again.
Who's he doing honk the horn?
Wait, is she coming down that way? If so, I want to. Get a good photo.
She ain't. She's going down and up and going back to the high street. Beep, beep. Where's he going? They won't come up, Jay. He's going the other way. Dude, that ain't your route. Oh yes it is. I'll go down here. Racing her! Racing the bus! A minute. Now, roof shot! Super epic. Epic! Epic roof shot. Oh, hello, eh? 479. Oh, chase her again. The second the 4 leaves her. Oh! What? Oh! These things are going crazy. I thought it was. Oh, that isn't the same. 24148. W59 FXE. The one that I thought broke down the other day. Oh yeah. 15257. Let's see if we can have a look around her and chase her in and follow her. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh yes, let's chase. Let's run with her. Oh. Now for the 4. We'll see the 4. Hey, hold your tune when you pull away, please. Yep. Oh, he's going to do a tune, I feel like. Oh, that was like the best tune. Oh. What's the first thing? Do not attempt to board. Cool. We might do it again. Huh. That's unexpected. He went beep, beep, beep. Don't forget this. 10695. Don't you dare close on me again, door. Beep. Hello, door. Let's go move. Can I come and have a look, please? Oh, wow. I'm not expecting him to actually do it. Oh. So, oh, I'm guessing those holes aren't designed for those, so. You'll do it again, maybe? Nope. Oh. Now I'm going to run with him through the bus station. I'm running with the bus through the bus station. Look, I'm racing the bus! I'm racing it! I'm racing the bus! He's going the same way as me. Doing the bus chase. Oh shoot. Oh god. Oh no. He did it. 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 Look. That's a newer one.
Yeah.
They're going to scrap apparently, even though they're new.
Something that you're never going to see again. 2 blocks up behind. Yes.
Oh, my light's falling off.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Now, their design like it.
I don't think so. There's car finna move.
Move! Move!
There we go.
Beep!
Look,
Seagull! Bit of confusion, but that's what the doors think of you. Let's see. But what? Hello? Because there's nothing. Oh, the doors are locked themselves. She's huge. She used to be, but now she still is technically. Hold your horn, please! Hey, hold your horn, please! Yeah! Please be on your horn. No, let's take that. Oh, no, no, no. Right, gentlemen. Goodbye to 4144. Oh no, chase her, chase her, chase, chase, chase. Oh no, no. 37440. Oh! Right, Gemini, right, Gemini. No, that's a lead one. Oh, it's 36744.
Oh.
36744. 36744.
I've seen her in absolutely ages.
No, she's tracking again though. Yay! Oh, oh, oh! Yo! Yo! Ooh.
Tyler, what are you doing?
Oh, yours, please! Wait! Jurassic Coaster pace! Doing the bus chase! Oh. Just because I can. I can run down even further. The fact that it's local. What does this on Uncle? Come on, doors open! Open! Oh, it's her! 7551. What are these doors like to be? Maybe he doesn't recognise it. Oh. Oh no. Let's have a look on 10501, yes? Yeah, she's special. No, we haven't. It's 10452. No, we haven't. When?
Last time we saw
Wow.
Wait, so you literally press that button?
Oh. Thank you for that.
No worries.
Yeah, can you do a tune when you reverse out, please? Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, that's really random. Don't forget your... Oh. This will do it again as he passes. 10551 and 37443. There won't be that many videos because my phone's on 10%. So I can't believe it did beep 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 literally 5 times. Let's see if we can have a look around 15258. Funniest place for a coach to be. I was just as he departed. Oh, 15889. I need. Oh. Oh, now the doors don't open. What's going on? I go run through it. Hopefully I don't get soaking wet. Oh no, tickets. Jake! Jake, that's on bicycle buses. And guess who did the two-tone? I did that two-tone. That was epic, wasn't it? I didn't film it though, sadly. Or at least I don't think I did. I've never seen this before. This isn't... Paul Stevens. Had to go to... Can you honk the horn when you depart, please? Not because you're not inside the bus station, are you? Oh, bad timing, bad timing. But somehow I need to get from here to the bus station without getting soaked. 10695, I knew it was her. Meow. 48007. I was chasing 48007 off camera on my bike. Nearly had an accident. It's not wider than I thought it was. I'm sorry, but how am I seeing her? We're about to see 15665. I bet you will be a crossover. I bet you there'll be a crossover. I'm going to risk it. Just because I can, I'm going wrong with it. I'm not even run across the bus stop. I'm going to run across the bus stop and hope nothing bad happens. 3, 2, 1. Damn. She's stopping. Gives me a chance. Hold your horn, please! Running with 48007. I say 15 APF. This will do. As she disappears off on 5665 to make her appearance. Not in service though. Sadly. I'm here at Pankhurst Close with all these quotes. 15665. Not in, sorry, I'm not in service. Hold your horn! Hold your horn! Yeah. Running with 15665, not in service. I'm going to run in the bus stop. Bad idea, but I'm doing it. Just keep me a distance. We're running with 15665. Not in service. Whoa. W810 GHG. 48007 should be making an appearance. As I said that. Oh God. No. No, they lied. Hello, can I come and have a look, please?
Oh, sorry, mate.
Can I at least have a ticket?
No, sorry, mate.
Oh. Not even one of those, like... Oh. So basically those kids lied. SR not flickering. Okay, can you honk the horn when you leave? Can you honk the horn when you leave? Oh, other drivers have before. Even 15665 allowed his run. You'll at least run with him or her. At least go run with it. Don't care what the driver says. All three. I'm going to do it slightly. Oh, not that far. Shoot. Sprint after 48007. Right, J15 8BF. Isn't often she's on 1990. Not expect to be mighty goals. I've been flocked by seagulls. I've just attracted the whole flock. I just attracted the whole flock of seagulls. I just attracted those. What the? What? Oh my god, I just attracted them. Oh my god. Oh my. I've been very confused. These seagulls too much. Now listen. I'm only 4 of 11. Oh my god, even more. Oh my god. Oh my god. I believe I just created a flock. What have I caused? Oh my god. What have I caused? Ah, 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 ah. Oh my god. What have I just caused? How have I attracted them? I may have just caused their seagulls home. How did I attract them? I'm just gonna stay quiet and walk this way. I'm gonna try and attract them. I've just attracted a whole swarm. Ah! 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 I've just attracted them all. Ah! 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 Wow! 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 I may have just confused these seagulls. Oh yes. I have just made birds go absolutely insane, and dogs. I've just set dogs off. Woo woo! Woo 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 woo! Woo woo woo! I just... Interested, what the... Who's it offering? Oh yes, the majesty goes, oh yes! Oh yes! Aww.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Yes, oh you did.
Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah. Is it alright if I upload it to YouTube?
Yeah, if you want to upload it to YouTube, thank you
Oh,
for asking.
is it fun? Is it
yeah,
fun?
very friendly. She might jump up at you, but she's very friendly.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
look
she's
at...
smelling your hand.
Oh, hello. What's her
Oh,
name?
She's called Willow.
Hello, Willow.
Oh, who's that?
Oh.
Who's that? Oh, she's sweet, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, Willow. Woo, woo.
Oh, no. Nice to meet you. Oh, she's found something to sniff now. So, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. Have a good evening.
It's alright if I upload that video to YouTube?
Yes, thank you for asking. You certainly can.
Yeah.
Yes, you
Oh.
can. Yeah, take care.
You, bye. Oh. Nice interaction with that dog called Willow. As she goes away in the distance. We public transport and oh no, best not record that. Oh my fat. No, we public transport birds and animals in extra photo. For God's sake. Might as well do a little bit of bird spotting from sunrise to sunset. Look, that's how good this day's been.